Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Claude AI in Vscode. Install the Claude Code Vscode extension from the marketplace or via terminal with the code shown on the screen. Now open your project in Vscode, launch the registered terminal and run Claude to auto-install and install the extension. Use keyboard shortcuts like Alt plus Ctrl plus K or CMD plus Option plus K on Mac to send selected code context to Claude for editing, refactoring or code generation. Then configure settings via or config command in the Claude terminal to enable features like diff viewing, file tagging or permission handling. Tweak prompts and behaviors using cloud.empty in your repo root and consider using the code for a smoother workflow. Finally, use slash commands like /install-github-app to automate GitHub PR reviews and integrate Claude directly into your version control process. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.